Okay guys, it is Sheri from Southern Roots, and we're about, well, as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm actually on one of our bread routes. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know we're about to have a chili challenge. So it starts today. It will end November the 19th. The winner will be announced on the 22nd on my live. So anyway, I want you to drop a comment below this video telling me you want to enter. Then I want to go have you cook the best pot of chili you can, whether it's the hottest, the mildest, the meanest, whatever you want to call it. Cook it up. Then I want you to post it showing the whole shebang from start to finish. Hashtag it Southern Roots Chili Challenge. So the winner is going to be chosen. Sorry for the racket, y'all. It's another truck pulled up. The winner is going to be chosen from the video that has the most votes. So you can vote underneath that person's video in their comments. Anyway, so drop a comment in this video if you want to join this challenge. It's going to be 2 prizes. First prize will be a $50 gift card and a Southern Roots t-shirt. You'll have your choice of one of 2. Second prize is going to be one of the 2 t-shirts. Again, you'll have a choice. So anyway, don't forget to hashtag it Southern Roots Chili Challenge. It's going to end the 19th of November, starting today, and we'll announce the winner on the 22nd. So hey, you can cook it any way you like it, as long as it's homemade. I don't care if you cook it on the stove, in the oven, in your smoker, however. So let's get started and cook up some chili. Okay guys, so here we go. Throw in a little olive oil, because I'm using lean ground beef. I'll let that skillet heat up for a second. Get my ground beef opened up here. Ready to throw it in. It's time for some homemade chili. So that's what's on the menu for tonight, and it's also fixing to kick off our challenge. So I wonder if we're sizzling yet. Oh, a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and get our ground beef going. Get it chopped up. Let's see what we can find up in the spice cabinet. I am so tempted to do a video on cleaning out my spice cabinet, because my goodness, I've got a bunch of junk going on in there. I need to just condense it down, because I've got some of the same things, and I'm just letting it continue to build up. So I need to grab a spoon, measuring spoon. I'm going to throw in a good 2 teaspoons of onion powder. See if I can find the rest of my stuff up here. Let's see here.
2 hours later.
Got it. A good 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then I'm going to pull out the cumin if I can get the tab off of it. I just bought it and it's not wanting to cooperate here. Let's see. I'll just make it come off with a knife, huh? Okay. And throw a good 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. Then I'm about to reach for the chili powder. I use the dark chili powder. I'm going to put about 5 teaspoons of it in there. Then just a hint, not even quite half of a teaspoon of white pepper. And I'm going to reach up into my other spice bucket, get my kosher salt, put a good 2 teaspoons of it. It may seem like a lot for this little bit of meat, but there's going to be more that goes into this than just ground beef. So we'll be back here in just a little bit. Okay, so next I'm adding a diced up jalapeno that I just took the seeds and things out of. And let this cook down in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and add some chopped brisket that I smoked Friday, well, like all night, almost Friday night, and finished off on Saturday. I'm going to add that into my chili. Get this brisket mixed in with this ground beef. And there are so many ways you can cook chili. Honestly, I would put it on the smoker if I didn't have so much going on right now. But that's not possible this evening. So we're going to do it this way. I've got my meat and seasonings mixed. I want to come back and add a can of rotel. I want to add 2 of the 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. We're going to get this good and mixed in. I may come back and add a little bit more chili powder after this has cooked for a while. I want to make sure all the ingredients are mixed together really good. Now, what I'm about to do with this awesome looking skillet full of chili is it's going into a 350 degree oven for around 30 minutes. So here we go with that. Alright, so here we go, guys. Fresh out of the oven. And it is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you enter Southern Roots Chili Cook-Off. Catch you next time.